Hello everyone, today we're gonna sketch this electric toothbrush and we're gonna learn a little bit tricks in sketching. So let's get started. So this is our sketch 4. Let's draw a straight line here. Also the ellipses. Join these together. Okay, detail going off here. I'm going to extend this part down here like this. This is the top of a brush, circle here, ellipse here, sorry, and then I can add little details here in the product. In the front here, joining this line together. I'm just making some kind of random design, something that's coming up in my mind. So I haven't planned this, but let's see if it comes up with something great. Okay, a little bit here too. Extend these lines together and maybe add a little bit on button here. These lines can show a little bit that you can have a little grip of the product here. Okay, well, it's not the prettiest design, but I think you can get the idea how to sketch it. So I'm gonna flow this in the air, a little shadow down here. Okay, I'm gonna add a shadow here too. Okay, fixing the details a little bit. I'm not going to add so much shadows here, just want to focus on the sketch right now, so just add a little more detail around here. Okay. If you're not happy with the bottom, this part here, so we can sketch another one, let's say, make another design, perhaps that's going to look a little bit better. We're just trying to explore the shapes here now, so let's go with this one like this. This one goes straight here. I'm going to make this one a little bit slimmer. Okay, suppose this has a button here on the top. And this is the grip area, and then you have a little shadow. So that's how you can like make different variations of the bottom. Let's say if you're not happy with the design, like say if you like the top part, you can like the bottom area. So what you can do is like you can like sketch different variations and make this look better. Trying to see if I can get a little bit. Okay. A little bit of organic shape around here too. You can add little shadows here too. I'm gonna add little shadows here, so it shows that something is at the bottom here. The shadow down there. Okay, that was a quick sketch. That was our toothbrush. Okay, I hope you learned something. Probably we can sketch a little bit more complex shapes and do it a little bit in more clean way. This is a little bit The sketches are looking a little bit dirty, but I hope you get the idea how we can sketch them very quickly. Okay, thank you.